So you got some files and videos that you don't want others to look at, or you have some hidden files and you want to unhide it plus remove a shadowy figure from your file. So let me show you how to hide, unhide plus remove the shadowy figure from your file. Okay, first let's go to document or any other place that you may think there's a hidden file and press shift command and dot. Okay, so we have some hidden files, and again let's press on shift command and dot and the file will disappear. So without further ado, let's get into the process of how to do it. Okay, so go to launchpad and then click on others, then over here click on terminal, or you can just go search for terminal or spotlight and then open terminal. After terminal is opened, get the file that you want to hide ready, and then on terminal you have to write chflags space hidden space, drag and drop your file on terminal and delete the last space and then hit on enter, and boom, as you can see the file will disappear, which means we have successfully hidden our file. Okay, so again if you want to bring back the file that's hidden, just press on shift command and dot and it will appear. Okay, now we will bring back the hidden file plus we can remove the shadowy figure. We have to go back to terminal and then write chflags space nohidden space and let's fix our layout and then drag and drop the blurry file in terminal, then delete the last space and hit on enter. Okay, let's give it around 5 seconds and done. We have successfully unhide and removed the shadowy figure from the file. Okay guys, let's do it again. Go to terminal, write chflags space hidden space, drag and drop your file and then delete the last space and hit on enter. Our file will disappear, and when we press shift command and dot it will reappear as a blurry file. Okay, for the last, let's unhide this file. On terminal type chflags space nohidden space, drag and drop your blurry file, remove the last space and then hit on enter. Boom, it's back. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of my video. I hope it was helpful. I will leave the commands for the terminal in the description. If you have any question, as always, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section. Until the next one, peace out.